full 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe, but look at where I ended up. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So, if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything could stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how, don't start caring about me.
Hi Mami, happy birthday po. I love you.
Hi Tita, happy birthday po. I want to wish you a happy birthday on this blessed day of yours. And I want to let you know how strong, beautiful, and wonderful person that you are. And that you are full of vibrant colors and personality that is so admirable. I love you and I miss you. And not only are you a dear aunt to me, but also a loving mom somehow. I am blessed for having you in my life and for sharing all those insightful words and wisdom that I will cherish and treasure. I love you so much and I wish you all the best, and kindly be safe during this time of the year, and especially during this time of, you know, what's going on anyways in this crisis. And I just want to let you know that be happy, and that we are here for you and we love you, and continue to shine, because that's what you are to us.
Hi, Tita Linda. Happiest birthday to you. I wish you a good health and more blessings to come, more birthdays to come, and stay healthy and keep safe. God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po Tita Linda. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Tita Linda. God bless po.
More sumbat.
Salita na.
Minadua.
Hindi ganyan, papakit ka pa eh. Yung batok ko, kala mo. Hi sis! Happy birthday! Sana umaba pa iyong buhay. God bless! Happy birthday tita! God bless po, stay pretty. Walang. Bye!
Send a message to Linda. Linda, I know you're celebrating your birthday on the 18th of December. So lucky. Everybody is celebrating this month for you. And so lucky for Joanna too, as December 25, her birthday. Well, I want to wish you a very happy birthday. May the Lord God bless you more with good health. Important is our health. Enjoy life. And take life easy. Don't stress out. Just enjoy and be happy. Okay? And don't think we're getting older.
Mama Linda.
Happy birthday, Mama Linda!
Happy birthday, Mama Linda.
I love
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear friend Rosalinda Bello Chatco. I wish you good health and long life and all the best. Sana lahat ng wishes mo matupad. Enjoy your day. Take good care of yourself. Stay at home. Huwag kang naglalabas at delikado mga senior sa labas katulad natin. Okay? I wish I'll see you next year. Hopefully, may awa si Lord. Makauwi ako. Gusto kong mag-spend ng Christmas dyan. Okay? wish you all the best. Happy birthday again. God bless you and take care of yourself. I love you, my friend. Happy birthday. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hi, Tita Linda. Happy birthday po. Stay sweet and ganda ka pa rin. Huwag sana magbago. Ano ba man, nandito pa rin kaming buhay na pamilya mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Tilinda. Happy birthday. Miss na kita sa mga buhay na pamilya. Sana mag-out of town ulit tayo para magkaroon naman tayo ng bonding. Yun lang.
Hi, Da. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and more.
Hi, sis. Happy birthday. Pasensya ka na. Wala tayong kita-kita. Happy quarantine birthday. Yun lang. Mahihain ako eh. God bless.
Hello, Da. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in the world. Happy birthday ulit. Love you. Hi, Tita Lynn. Happy birthday. Gusto mo ba kantahan kita? Huwag na lang. Ang wish ko for you, stay as healthy as you are, as beautiful as you are, as sexy as you are. We miss a lot of travels. Maybe next year, makapag-travel tayo. We miss you. As a friend, I miss you a lot. Sa pinagsamahan natin, through thick and thin, na ilang years na rin naman buena, nandyan tayo lagi para sa isa't isa. Sana hanggang sa maging 70 na tayo, 70 plus, sana magkasama-sama pa rin tayo. Andyan pa rin tayo sa isa't isa, di ba? Siguro nga tayo, hindi na tayo sisters. Ay, hindi na, sorry, hindi na tayo friends. We are now sisters. Kasi for how many years na magkakasama tayo, andyan tayo para sa isa't isa. Ang wish natin para sa health, number 1 sa ngayon. We are so blessed kasi andito pa rin tayo, walang sakit. Although, medyo mahirap, pero kaya naman natin, di ba, Tita Lynn? Katulad mo, you're a strong woman. I love you, Tita Lynn. We love you from Buena Familia. I miss you. Bye. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Mare! Happy birthday! Ang original star of the night ng Manila Jacket Club. Siyempre, ang aking kumare. Mare, ang wish ko lang sa'yo sa birthday mo, enjoy ka lang. Enjoy ka lang, ha? Lagi kang masaya. More blessings to come. Lagi kang healthy. Okay na yun, Mare. Importante yun. At saka, siyempre, magkikita pa tayo. See you, Mare. Basta lagi mo lang tandaan. Always pray. Keep safe. I love you, Mare.
Hello, Taling. First time ko itong mag-video kahit hindi ako marunong. Para sa'yo, ginawa ko para batiin ka ng happy birthday. Hindi man tayo nakikita, FB lang. Sana makapag-banding ulit tayo. Miss you. Ingat ka lagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Talin.
Happy birthday, Galinda. Musta na rin? Na-miss you. Di na tayo nakakaalis.
Hello, Inay. My one and only favorite Inay. The best dressed teller of all time. Forever and ever. And no one can beat that. Wishing you happiest birthday. Mag-ingat ka lagi ha. Alalahanin ang COVID, nandiyan pa rin. Stay healthy. and God bless you and more blessings to come. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hi, Tita Lynn. Happy birthday! Sana ngayong kaarawan mo ay maging masaya ka ngayong celebration ng kaarawan mo. Kapiling mo ang iyong tunay na pamilya. Tita Lynn, ngayong birthday mo, kahit hindi man tayo magkasama, hindi man tayo buong magkakasamang buhay na pamilya sa ngayon, pero darating din ang araw o panahon na pahintulutan tayo ni Lord na magkasama-sama ngayong bago matapos ang taon, ay magkikita rin tayo. God bless, Tita Lynn, and always be happy. And I know na kahit na hindi tayo magkakasama, nagkikita, napakalapit lang natin para mag-usap. At andito lang kami na buhay na pamilya mo para sa iyo. Again, Tita Lynn, happy birthday, and we love you always. Bye, and happy birthday. Bye, see you.
Hello, my beautiful sister. Happy birthday. God bless you and more birthdays to come. Pasensya na hindi makakapunta dyan. Yun. Pasensya na hindi makakapunta. Sabi mo nga, senior ako. Make your day happy. Happy birthday ulit.
Magandang gabi dito. Happy birthday. Hindi ako makakapunta sa birthday mo. Alam mo naman, may COVID, senior citizen, at saka bagong opera pa ako. Hindi pa ako malakas, mahina pa ako. Kaya gumawa ako nito, oh. O cake for you. Tsaka bulaklak, oh. Para sa'yo, props sa birthday mo. Kailan ang reunion natin, Linda? Sana magkita-kita tayo, namimiss na kita. I love you, Linda. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Bawat lakad mo